Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Syafutra, but you can call me Tri or Putra. No problem. I'm from class TBI 3B. My student's ID number is 2011230056. Okay, in this section, I will tell you about grammaticalization, submaterial, lexical grammar. What is the lexical grammar? What is the grammar? So, let's check it out and happy watching! Okay, what is the lexical grammar? Lexical grammar, also called lexical grammar or lexical and grammar, is a term used the systemic functional linguistic (SFL) to emphasize the independence of vocabulary or lexis and syntax grammar. The term introduced by Renovated Linguistics (MAK) Holiday is an amalgamation of the word lexicon and a grammar adjective, so lexical grammar. The advance of convert linguistic notes by Michael Peace has made the identification of lexical grammatical parents much easier than it once was. According to Peace 2007. What is the lexical grammar? I think of lexical grammar not as simply a combination of two fields of study, but as a spectrum that contains aspects to lexical studies and aspects to grammatical studies. According to systemic functional theory, lexical grammar is the diversified into the metafunction spectrum, exhausted in delivery from grammar to lexis and ordered into the series the rank of untils. What is the grammar? What M.A.K. Holiday and John Sinclair, another following expert, want to understand is that in lexicon grammar and lexical, parents do not carry in the same weight. Lexicon grammar is now very fashionable, but it does not integrate to the two types of the patterns as its name might suggest. It is fundamentally grammar with the certain amount of the attentions to lexical parents with the grammatical framework is not any sense an expert to build together and a grammar lexical and equal basic lexicon grammar is still flimsy and a kind of grammar lesson and the perhaps spoken with some lexis. How words and grammar are interdependent. The flexibility of verbs Michael pieces suggests proverb that grammar and vocabulary are mutually dependent. Vocabulary and grammatical structures are independent, so much so that it is possible to say with some justification that words have their own grammars. This independently of the lexical and grammar is affirmed everywhere in the language. For example, lexical verbs have Falery patterns, so verb can be used with a direct object. I made someone gloves, or with about direct object and indirect object, the government awarded them a pay rise. Another need to object all the colonel was language. Lexicon grammar and the semantic. Lexical grammar capture a big picture of language better than the study of grammar and the lexicon alone. And in doing this, it also provided a stronger understanding of meaning making in communicating. Otherwise known as the semantic, just as the lexic and grammar are considered to form a single stratum. Holiday considered the lexicon grammar is not the separate system or module apart from semantics, but is rather an underlying components of the meaning-making system of a language. The stratum of semantic is turned not of the was an abstract and logical structure, but rather as the medium through which human and the language to interact in their social and the culture context. A consequence of this is the language and the particular the lexical grammar in structured by the expansive the communicating functional is has evolved to convey. Lexical grammar and the corpus linguistic. Researching the role of lexical grammar in formatting of language is so useful when enables to consider how language is actually used rather than just how it's used, theories and the models. This is where corpus linguistic, the study real-world language, comes in and rather author of the lexical of adjective, a semantic functional approach, and the lexical garden taken fosters for. Okay guys, I think enough about material grammaticalization, submaterial lexical grammar. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day. Bye bye.